Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to generate images using ChatGPT. So let's get started. Now, some of you might already be familiar with the fact that ChatGPT is an AI text-based model, right? So it can't exactly generate images for you. But here's a simple trick that you can use to make ChatGPT draw a picture. Now, this is a specific prompt that I found on Reddit, and I'll be linking the exact thread in the description below. So over here, you can see this prompt uses the Pollination AI's API. And what we're basically doing is we're giving it an input, which is the main object. This is something that you want your picture to be focused around. So in this case, I'll just say a dog. So that is the main object. Now over here, you can enter the focus detail. So the focus detail is, what do you want your object to be doing? So a dog outside on the beach. And over here, you can add an adjective. So an adjective would be, I'll just go with a brown dog and another adjective you want. So I'll say a happy dog and then visual styles. So what do you want your image to look like? So I'd say sunny and another visual style if you want. So I'll say warm and the third visual style. So let's say lots of waves and sands. And over here, you can add an artist reference. So if you want your artwork to look like some artists know an artwork, so you can add that here. I don't know any artists that I'm familiar with, so I'll just leave that empty and let's give it the prompt. And click enter. Now, ChatGPT will start generating the image prompt. Since I'm not using ChatGPT 4, the image will not be visible here directly. Instead, you'll get a hyperlink to the image you've generated using ChatGPT. So I'll just copy the link from HTTPS to the end, paste it into a new tab and hit enter. As you can see, this is the image I've generated using ChatGPT. So this is how you can make ChatGPT generate a picture. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.